I'm obsessed with that.
I just got the kids off to school. I got myself a... Looks like my video just stopped recording and I continued to talk. I ended up just getting a medium coffee with 2 pumps of the pumpkin flavor and then just coming home and adding in my own milk. Okay, first things first is I always light a candle. It gets me motivated to clean. The ambiance of the space just feels so cozy. Fall is my favorite time of year. Like, I am so excited for fall. I'm going to show you all of my fall candles that I got here in a little bit, but first, let's light a candle and clean this kitchen up because it is a disaster from breakfast. Actually, I lied. Let's put in a load of laundry now and then get to working on the kitchen. That way, hopefully the laundry will be ready to go into the dryer by the time that the whole downstairs is clean. And then we can fold and put away. Let's chat a little bit about what keeps us motivated to do this day in, day out, because I literally clean this kitchen 3 times a day, after breakfast, after lunch, after dinner. What keeps us motivated to make it feel clean and look put together? And I think that for me, it is just that, the feeling of clean, the feeling that I get when I walk in the afternoon and it is tidy. I feel like then I can finally relax. I can sit down and have my lunch or have a cup of coffee and it feels put together. It's that sense of accomplishment that something that you might not necessarily enjoy doing is done, and it feels good to get it done. What is it about fall that I love so much too? I think for me, it's the crisp air, it's the cozy outfits, the warm socks, the football, the crock pot meals, this sense of coziness. It's just like a feeling that you get in the fall. I love the flowers, or how my hydrangeas are turning to like more of a rust color. I love the colors of fall. I love the sense of fall, cinnamon, apple, all of those cozy scents. Another thing that is cozy to me is having my home clean and inviting, having a candle going, having a cup of coffee always, but those are just cozy things to me. What is cozy to you? Let me know in the comments what you consider cozy. Now that we got the downstairs all cleaned up, it's time to show you a couple of my fall finds. I am sweating. I sort of want to change out of this aesthetic cozy fall outfit, but I'm not going to because I want fall. First, how cute is this little pumpkin vase I got on Amazon? How cute is that? Naturally, the hydrangeas are turning to this beautiful pinky auburn color, which is perfect for fall. I just went outside and picked a couple, put them in here, and here we go. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm obsessed with that. I'll leave a link for everything down below. I think the coziest thing in the world is cozying up on the couch with a warm coffee or in bed with my golden milk. That's been my favorite thing ever lately, with a good book or a good cookbook to flip through. That's aesthetic, that's beautiful pictures, and I found the perfect one. This. This is gorgeous. It's on Amazon, super affordable. It is just literally gorgeous. Like the pictures, I could literally just stare at the pictures for days. Sort of want to cut them out and frame them, but I'm not going to. But anyways, so cute. I walked into Target and in the dollar section, they had these cute vases for $3 a piece. My girls got, I don't know where it's at, some little pink ones that were like felt. They're super cute. So I got those just because they're the pretty colors for fall. Target, because this is just gorgeous. I'll show you where I'm going to put it. One of the fall scents I got from Bath & Body Works. This one is my favorite. I get it on repeat every single fall. It's Leaves, and it's my absolute favorite. It is such a dream scent. It is cinnamony and like nutmeg and like your baking apple pie. It's the best scent ever. I'll show you the other ones I got. Can you even? Do I need any more pillows? No, I don't. But I was like, oh my gosh, I cannot. This is so beautiful. It ties in every single color in my living room. The gold, the cream, a little bit of the darks. I don't have really any reds, but like, it's just screams fall and I had to have it. So I will leave a link for everything down below, but these are just fun. Do I need anything for fall? No, I don't. And my husband will tell you I do not. Does it make the season a little bit more fun? Yeah, it does. And will I ever stop? Probably not. So let me just show you this cute little candle warmer I got on Amazon for my daughter's room because I don't want her burning a candle, obviously, in her room. Let me turn it on for you so you can see. And then you can dim it, which I always put it on the dimmer one. These are the other two scents I got, white pumpkin and sweet cinnamon pumpkin. And I also got a fall farmhouse, but I cannot find it. I do not know where I put it.